Hi guys, welcome to my third video. This is episode 3 and we are learning the impact of AI on social media and how AI is gonna improve our businesses and how we can just make our business profitable with the help of AI. So let's not waste the time and I'm gonna take you to today's episode. Let me share my slides, guys. All right. Okay. All right. So automation is very, very important. Another important concept that how one can automate their business automatically. Now, there are times when you must have heard saying people, hey, if you're going to use the um, automatic auto mode of emails or let's say WhatsApp messages, it can increase your business 10 times or 20 times. Now, well, you might be thinking that how is it possible and what's the purpose, right? Why I need to automate? I have few clients and I'm happy talking to them. Agreed, If you have 10 clients, if you have 100 clients, if you have 200 clients, that's perfectly fine. But have you ever thought of increasing the business? Have you ever thought of going beyond those to 200, crossing the limit of 500,000, a million client? If you ever think of doing so, then, well, I guess you are at the correct place because this is a series regarding the AI role in social media marketing. Stay tuned with Learn with Sachi and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. All right, we're going to talk about AI in marketing. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples also. So what's the role of AI? Now, I tell you something. What's the secret behind? Have you ever thought that Amazon was a company which was just started as a book selling company? How come they just come so far? I mean, look at the size. It has become just a giant. And forget about Amazon. There are so many other brands which are doing so well in the market. How come these companies, these websites got so much success? What's the secret behind it? I'm going to reveal the secret because I know maybe a lot of you are watching, those who are from the non-technical background. What's the science behind? Let me just explain you like this. Now, if you think that why Facebook is showing me the reels of my interest, I never search for that. I tell you, the intelligence level of Google has gone beyond your expectation. Even if you are chatting with your friend, even if you're talking to your friend, your mom, your dad, AI is listening everything. Google is listening everything, and probably that is providing the algorithms to the Facebook, to the Instagram, all the social media, and that is the major reason why you are able to get everything of your own interest. Let's say you want to learn the digital marketing and you're just talking to your friend that, hey, I like this channel, why don't you try? The moment AI is going to listen, it will start showing you everything which just synchronizes so well with your interest. You're just going to be able to see everything, whatever you just like to see, whether that's the money making tips, starting a business, or whatever you want to see. If you're a student, probably, it is going to show you something which is correlated to your studies. So that is the major role of AI. Now you might be thinking, how is it going to be useful for me? I'll tell you how. Okay, I'll tell you once I'll give you more examples. We'll go further. I'll be explaining you one by one all the steps, how it's going to be beneficial, why you need to learn it to increase your business, or you know, you should be aware about the role of AI in social media. Now let's talk about the applications. First I want to talk about the AI applications. What's the major role of AI? Why am I saying that it optimizes the ad? Now this is very simple. I only see all the advertisements which are correlated to my work. I'm a trainer and I get most of the advertisements that um it just goes so well with my choice, with my various choices. Either I can just see something which is correlated to digital marketing, communication, whatever I teaches, Or if I want to learn some new skill, let's say if I want to learn something new, or if I want to teach something new, all the advertisements I'm going to see which will correlate to my choice. Let's say you love cooking. You will only see the advertisements which are correlated to maybe selling a knife, maybe selling an app where you can sell your courses. So this is how the advertisements are optimized. Now, how this social media has become super intelligent. That's the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Everything has become so intelligent that the moment you're gonna express your wish, you want to go to a vacation to Paris, it'll start showing you all the reels, all the videos related to vacation. You yourself will start thinking, oh my God, I'm just thinking in my mind and something has come. So that is what is called the advertisement optimization. You need to learn this because uh, all the ads which you run on Facebook, Instagram, the meta ads, or whatever you are running, this will directly go to the audience, those who really want to see that. So it is that simple. That is why your business increases. That is why how you generate the leads. So ad optimization is one of the most important AI function. I can say that. Now, content generation. Now there are blogs, videos, whatever you generate. There are thousands and thousands of AI applications which you can use right now. Are you only relying upon ChatGPT? Sorry, there are n number of options which are available in the market. If you want me to tell you, if you want me to provide you the tools, maybe I can just actually show you the practical usage of all these tools. But you have to write down in the message box, just let me know whatever you feel like. I'm gonna show you the practical usage of how you can make your own videos and blogs with the help of AI. Believe me, we are just taking the help. We are not telling the AI to write down everything for us because it's complete no for me. Yeah. All right, predicting customer behavior. Again, as soon as we come to understand, the point is with the help of AI, we can easily predict what my customer wanted. Now, let's say I like to buy a kind of a noodles, and every time I just go to Amazon and I just buy a particular variety of noodles. I like to buy a kind of um, let's say a dress for myself, and I like to wear those kind of dresses. So every time it is going to show me the similar kind of choices. Now you will say why Amazon is growing, because the moment I'm going to log into the app, it will show me the similar kind of choice, what I actually got in the past. So the past experiences plays a very important and vital role. So not only that, all the ads on Facebook or Amazon, whatever is going to come, will be correlated to the choices, what you were actually looking at that. Let's say if I wanted to buy mm, something, some shoes for myself, and I was just checking it on the Amazon, it is going to show me the same similar kind of shoes on Facebook, Instagram. So this is very important. These, with the help of AI, we actually try to learn the behavior of a consumer. We try to learn what are the likings and disliking of the consumer. That way, it helps us in building a consumer, a fan base for ourselves. And this is how we increase the business. Basically, just to try to get back the consumer or customers for our business. All right, there are some automation tools, there are HubSpot, Zapier. These are good tools. These are some of the features are free. Even if you want to pay, it's not that costly. In fact, I'm planning to make a video where I'm going to show you the practical usage of some of the tools. It's really going to be helpful for your business, how you can optimize with the help of these tools. Definitely, I'm going to help you guys in understanding what are the tools you're going to use, because when you are a self-learner, it's very difficult to understand what tool to be used, because that's how the market is. And there's a huge demand of digital marketers in the industry. So probably you need to learn a lot of tools because of that. All right, we're going to talk about the chatbots and customer services now. There are times when you just go to our website, which belongs to US, and you are somewhere in Asia, the timings are not matching for you. You are way ahead of US and you want to talk to somebody, but obviously there's nobody to answer that particular time, because you are asking somebody, maybe it's midnight in US and you are somewhere in Asia where it's early morning for you. Now, these chatbots that really helps you in generating the business, it really assists you in a lot of stuff. Basically, it provides a kind of a service which is 24 by 7. Now, these chatbots, everything is these chatbots actually include the AI, artificial intelligence in it, and that's how it decodes the language of the customer. It tries to read what the customer is asking. And this is how it helps you in providing you a lot of answers which you can automatically give to your customers and clients. You need not to be present. And that is how we reduce the cost of something. It actually, tremendously reduces the cost because you need not to hire anybody. It's a one-time cost where you just fill some of the chatbots where somebody, the moment you're just gonna click on the website, somebody will say, hey, how can I help you? So that's not the actual person, that's somebody, that's a chatbot. It's an AI tool which helps you in understanding various questions. So there are a few questions which are already there. And if you want to ask something out of those questions, they will actually tell you. Shortly, our customer care is going to talk to you or they'll be in touch with you. So yes, there are certain tools again, which help you in building up the chatbot and customer services. Now, this is something very extremely important, specifically if you want to work globally, if you want to work overseas. I think this is one of the best services which you can provide to your client. All right, we are also going to talk about a case study. So here I wanted to talk about something very interesting, which I'm using right now. That is for optimization of emails. Now I have to send, let's say 1,000 email to my customer or 10,000 emails to my customer. I'm using an app which is called Mailchimp, which is really helping me out in customizing my email. It not only helps me in sending the email, but it also helps me in doing the survey, a market research for myself. So there are certain things, certain algorithms which is provided by apps. There are certain tools which you can use. I guess, this is how you can keep on sending to the customers, keep on reminding the customers. Now, let's take one more example over here where I just wanted to talk about the algorithms, how it prioritizes the content. Now, if I have to release a reel or if I have to release a video, it's not necessary that I can just publish it that very time. There are tools in Facebook who Meta Business where I can manage or I can prioritize. Okay, I want this on so and so date. I want it on Thursday. This I want it on Friday. This I want it on Saturday. So you can just post it in one go, one shot. But at the same time, you can say, okay, I don't want to post it everything right now. Can you post it for me in a couple of days, the coming days? So this is what all you can do in Instagram, TikTok, or there are various pages which you can help. Suppose if you are busy that particular day, or you feel like maybe I can forget and I want it at a particular time, so can actually help you out. All right. So how to go about? So basically, how to get started? The first thing you have to do is choose the right tool for your business. Now, I'm not going to say that invest in everything. Just measure your goal. Just understand what you exactly want to do. Let's say initially, if you just want to send the emails to 500 people, just go for a free plan. And later on, you can invest in these tools. There's no harm, but understand the size of your business. Understand your goal, how much market you want to tap, or how many people you want to approach. And accordingly, you can choose something good for yourself. But again, I will just try to give a list of some of the tools which you can use in digital marketing for AI generated social media platform. Definitely I'm going to give. So it's going to be in description box. You can just go and just open it and check for yourself. What's the future, guys? See, there are some ethical issues I want to talk about because there are times when this chat GPT and other stuff is going to be matter of concern because of the um you know your private data is actually it's kind of risky. So I guess when you use these AI, just use it very smartly because it's going to be the leakage of your private data. Yes, of course, that's the problem, but again, at the same time they are helpful, I can say that. So in the end, I will only like to say that AI really helps us, even though there are some matter of concerns, but we are using the tool smartly. If you are just building some stuff of your own, let's say, you're building your own chatbot and all, probably that's going to really help you out in future. All right, stay tuned with me. If you want me to make more videos, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my video. With that, I'm going to stop my video now. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.